What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So if this is your guys' first time on my channel, my name is Alex. I own a 2020 Dodge Challenger GT V6 50th anniversary. And the other day I got a DM through Instagram. One of you guys' viewers actually asked me if I can make a video. Well, he didn't ask me if I can make a video. He asked me, hey bro, do you have a video of, X, Y, and Z? So I was like, I don't, but I'll make one. So I'm making this video. So shout out to you if you're watching. I'm making this video talking about my Vicrest wide body kit, how I got it on there. I'm gonna try to explain the best way I can to explain to you guys, how I actually installed the wide body kit, how much it cost me, and all those things in between. So yeah, guys, if this is your guys' first time on my channel, this is my 2020 Dodge Challenger GT V6. It is a 50th anniversary, so it does come, with a little bit more than your standard SXT or your RT or your Scat Pack. It comes two-tone, so the actual color of the car is a cinnamon stick, and then it comes with the black trunk, black hood, and the black top. The wide body kit, I did buy it off of Vicrest. So if you guys are not familiar with the Vicrest sells a lot of things for cars. I apologize if my speech is a little off. It's super cold right now. It's about 25 degrees here in Alabama, so it is cold. My hands are literally starting to freeze up, so I'm stuttering a little bit, but because I'm super cold. But anyways, I'm gonna try to make this video as best as I can for you guys, explaining the wide body kit. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so this wide body kit, I did buy it off of Vicrest. It cost me $700 to buy it, and then another like 50 bucks for shipping and handling. So in total, you're gonna be spending about $700 to $800 on this wide body kit. Sometimes they have them on special, with like New Year's deals, Black Friday, all those things. So it really depends when you buy it. You might pay a little bit cheaper, or you might pay a little bit more. But anyways, the wide body kit, it comes standard black. So if you guys order it, it's gonna come just regular black, matte black. Like the trunk right here is gonna come matte black, so you do have to paint them to color match your car. So depending on what color your car is, you're gonna have to color match them. If you have a black car and it's matte, then you really don't need to worry about color matching the car. But anyways, this white body kit, you can install it two ways. You can either go with the route, which what comes with the white body kit, it comes with 3M tape. That 3M tape, you just put it in the corners of the white body kit. So the 3M tape, you put it inside of here, and you just stick it onto the car, and all the parts stick onto the car. But that is a little bit sketchy because if you're going 70, 80, 90 miles per hour on the highway, you do run a high risk that they might fly off. So your second option is you can bolt them into the car, which is what I did. So bring it a little bit closer so you can actually see there's a little bolt right there sticking out. So I actually put bolts on the car, and it's permanently on there. It's not gonna come off unless I really yank it off. I get into a car crash or something like that, then it'll come off. But it's permanently on there. This wide body kit is not going anywhere. It does come with those pieces in the bottom, that little black piece right there, that little black piece right there, the one up in the front, and it also comes with, so you get the 3M tape, you get all the pieces obviously, and it does come black. So if you guys do decide to buy it, just know that it's gonna come black, and you're gonna have to color match it. Now the way that I did it, I obviously took it to the paint body shop, it got color matched, and then I went to an actual body shop and they bolted them on there. First, you have to make sure you fit it on the car to make sure there's no issues with the parts, because some parts, they're going to be a little bit deficient. They do make a lot of them, so some of them are gonna come a little bit, you know, fucked up. So my first recommendation is test fit them on the car first. Make sure you have all your pieces, make sure they fit properly, and then you can move on to the next processes, which is, you know, color matching them. These mud flaps don't come with the wide body kit. You have to get those, you know, somewhere else. But these mud flaps, I would highly recommend you guys get them, because if you can see here, all those little white spots are rock chips. So before I had these mud flaps on there, all the rocks from the front wheel were just hitting the back, and it was starting to chip the paint away. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you guys are gonna go wide body. Get those mud flaps, that way your paint doesn't chip with the little rocks that the front tires throw to the back. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you guys are gonna go wide body. I would highly recommend you guys get mud flaps. That way it doesn't mess up your paint. Right now, I'm not too worried about the chips, because the car is gonna get wrapped. I'm gonna be doing the camo Young Dolph wrap on there. The cost for that is gonna be around like $4,000, $5,000, but it's gonna be worth it because I've been wanting it for a really long time. So yeah, guys, keep in mind, if you get the wide body kit, I would highly suggest you get those mud flaps. Another thing to keep in mind, if you have a regular standard SXT, you have 275s, which the tire is really small for the wide body kit, so it's gonna make your car look just way off. It looks funky, it looks like a wagon, it looks weird. So you have to keep in mind that you have to buy new wheels as well. The wheels that I'm running on here are 305s in the front, which is a 20x9 on the rim, and then I have 315s in the back, and the rim size is 20x11. They are a staggered setup, so it's a little bit more expensive whenever you are going to change the tires. You are going to be paying a little bit more because they're staggered wheels, so you have to buy, you know, a new set of wheels all the time. You just can't put the ones in the front to the back or the ones in the back to the front. You have to buy new wheels every single time. So that's another thing to keep in mind. If you are going to go wide body, you have to get the new tires. If not, your car is just not going to look good with the wide body kit. So that's something to keep in mind. God damn, it's cold in this motherfucker, bro. But yeah, the first way to install them is gonna be with the 3M tape, and then obviously you have to color match the car. Or the second route is bolting the wide body kit onto the car. But once you do that, you know, there's no going back because you're drilling into the car. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you're gonna keep the car forever and you don't plan on selling it, you know, bolt them on there. That will be your best bet for it to look flush and for it not to look, you know, weird. Because sometimes with the 3M tape, this thing sticks out. So on mine, it's perfectly flushed because, you know, the bolts are on there, so it keeps it nice and tight. But if you do decide to go with the 3M tape and you're thinking of taking, you know, the wide body kit off every now and then, which is, I don't know why you would do that, but yeah, you do run a risk of the wide body kit flying off in the middle of you driving. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So in total, for everything that you are going to be spending, $700 for the wide body kit, another $800 to color match it and install it. And then if you are going to be buying some new rims and tires aren't cheap, so you're going to run another like $2,000 to $3,000 for your whole setup. So in all, you guys are looking to spend, you know, a good $3,000 to $4,000 to get the kit done, to get the tires, to make it all look nice. So yeah, that's the cost. And those are some of the things that you are running, you know, when you do get the wide body kit. Those are some of the things that you are going to be running into if you are driving, you know, super fast in the highway. These fenders can fly off if you use the 3M tape. But what I would recommend for you guys is just bolt them on there. color match it, make it look right the first time, and you guys are gonna have a whole new car. This white body kit makes the car look completely different. Ever since I did the white body kit to my car and I see a narrow body, I just think the narrow bodies look super weird. They look super awkward. So yeah, it's just gonna change the whole complete look of your car, and you're gonna love it. I promise you, you're gonna love it. You're not gonna regret it. But make sure you do it the right way. If you do take it to a paint body shop, make sure you're taking it to a legit one. Don't go to your friends, buddies that knows how to paint and do car work. Just go to an actual legit body shop. Do it the right way the first time. That way, you're not spending money later on down the road when it's coming off or when it's starting to look like shit. So those are some of the things that I would recommend to you guys. Those are the prices. That's how you semi install the white body kit. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys and talk to you guys about the white body kit. And yeah, if you guys have any more suggestions of videos that you would like to see on this channel, send them my way and I'll get right to it. I also want to say thank you guys for 400 subscribers. We barely started this channel last month and we're already up 400 subscribers, which is just crazy, bro. So yeah, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. If you dropped a comment or a like, or left something positive, I appreciate you. If you left something negative, I appreciate you too, because you're messing with the algorithm. So I appreciate everybody that does comment, that likes, that subscribes. So anyways, happy New Year's to you guys. I hope you guys had a good happy New Year, and I hope that 2024 is one of the best years of your life. So until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace.